Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be unboxing Oniken Odallus, 2 games in one collection. It's a limited edition from Play Asia exclusively. Another thank you card from them. There's a sticker, says number 5. Let me know if you've got a different numbered sticker. That's the back of the box, so you can take a look. Contents out. Okay, first up, another soundtrack. Great, love these things. Next up, another printed card that's numbered with the certificate number for this particular version. And next is the game. Get the plastic off. Okay, so you got front, rear, some internal box art with the cartridge, and again we get a nice small manual, light reading, some nice artwork, and that's going to conclude this video. Thanks for watching, guys. So I opened up the CD. It's a double CD. You want to see the artwork in there? It's quite nice. A lot of detail. So if you did enjoy this video, if you do like this type of content, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. If you don't, hit the dislike button, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks.